Anglo-Saxon period or Old English period. Anglo-Saxon literature encompasses literature written in Anglo-Saxon during the 600-year Anglo-Saxon period of Britain from the mid-5th century to the Norman conquest of 1066. These works include genres such as epics, poetry, sermons, Bible translation, chronicles, riddles, etc. The known writers of this period are Caedmon, Venerable Bede, Cynewulf, King Alfred the Great, etc. Middle English period. The term Middle English literature refers to the literature written in English language known as Middle English from the 14th century until the 1470s. It was in this period Caxton set up the first printing press in England. Geoffrey Chaucer and his masterpiece Canterbury Tales was the greatest asset of this period. Other notable writers are William Langland, Sir Thomas Malory, Margery Kane, etc. Renaissance period. The English Renaissance was a cultural and artistic movement in England. Renaissance style and ideas, however, were slow to penetrate England, and the Elizabethan era in the second half of the 16th century is usually regarded as the height of the English Renaissance. William Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, Edmund Spenser were some of the well-known writers of this period. The Globe Theatre in England, associated with Shakespeare, was a remarkable achievement of English Renaissance, and it became a playhouse of Shakespeare. Neoclassical period. Neoclassical literature was written between 1660 and 1798. This time period is broken down into three parts: the Restoration period, the Augustan period, and the Age of Johnson. Some of the major writers of this period are John Dryden, Alexander Pope, Jonathan Swift, Samuel Johnson, etc. Romantic period. Romanticism, also known as the Romantic Age, was an artistic, literary, musical, and intellectual movement that originated in Europe towards the end of the 18th century and in most areas was to its peak in the approximate period from 80,000 to 1890. Lyrical Ballads is a collection of poems by William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge, was published in 1798 and have marked the beginning of English Romantic movement. Other notable writers of this period are John Keats, P.B. Shelley, Lord Byron. Victorian period. Victorian literature is literature mainly written in English during the reign of Queen Victoria. Major writers of this period are Alfred Lord Tennyson, George Eliot, Charles Dickens, Matthew Arnold. Modern period. Modern period in English literature begins with 20th century and remained till 1965. The period saw an abrupt break away from the old ways of interacting with the world. Main writers of this period are Virginia Woolf, T.S. Eliot, Samuel Beckett.